friends and welcome to 7 News. So today I am going to visit a nursery. A nursery? Yes. So before you think anything else, let me tell you, I am going to visit a plant nursery. Now, like last Sunday or so, my parents went to that nursery to bring some plants, and they were mesmerized by the beauty of the place, and they told me that the next time they visit the nursery, I had to accompany them because I will also like the place, and that is what I am doing today. We are going to a nursery to bring in more plants, and more plants means more family members. Already we have many, but yeah, to add we'll be bringing some more plants. So let's go. Okay, now you might be thinking why I am wearing this one with this very heavy jacket, because number one, it is very cold. Number two, I literally have allergy from cold. And number three, I am suffering from cold, so no chance I am going to take, because कुछ भी हो सकता है. Safety first and health first. So yeah, that's it. And yes, pandemic is still on, so you people also please do not avoid the mask. So friends, we have reached the place, and that's the nursery. That's the entrance, and we are going to enter there. There are so many rose saplings, and that's a quite long nursery. It seems there are so many small rose saplings out there. So this particular nursery is 10 kilometers away from Silchar town, and it is located in a village named Shoitpur. So people in and around Silchar can come here. And mind you, this is not any paid promotion. Like, this is a legit beautiful place, and I am really feeling very happy. And thankfully I came here despite of my runny nose and not so good condition, but I am feeling well after coming here. নতুন পাতাগুলো, the new leaves are red. So this is the beginning only, and according to my mom, we haven't even entered the full nursery yet, and only seeing all these things I'm really happy. You know what, I was actually vlogging, and one of the auntie who happens to be the malkin of this place asked me, are you vlogging? Like, for the really first time somebody asked me, and she also asked me, what is the name of your channel? Great, I'm really very happy. মাল্টি কালার গোলাপি গুলো কত করে পড়ে? 150 টাকা একটা চারা না? So like there are many employees here who are working. Okay, so they are there. I should go there. Bottle palm.
Bottle palm. Bottle ना bottle आ गया.
अच्छा.
Bottle palm.
Bottle. अच्छा bottle आ रखता है.
हाँ bottle आ रहा.
अच्छा. This is bottle palm. Okay. Not bottle. It's bottle. তাল
এগুলো palm.
ও পাম আচ্ছা ছিল এগুলো আমাদের বাড়িতে এককালে আচ্ছা এইগুলো কি
এগুলো নিম.
এগুলো নিম একটু অন্যরকম নিম না এগুলো
এটা লোকাল নিম.
লোকাল নিম বলতে
লোকাল নিম এটা ও
এই তো বেশ আলাদা নিম
ও বেটি ও এটা কত দাম লাগে ভাইছো
Recently we have bought these plants
ছেলেরা গেছে
আচ্ছা এগুলোর নাম কি বাবা জানো নাকি তুমি আমরা কিনে নিয়েছিলাম না
তো আমারে ওপেন কে লাগে না আমার
ভুলে গেছি সো forgot the name right now what we bought
দাদা
these
কোন
plants
নাম জানি কি তা কইছলা
এই গাছগুলোর আচ্ছা সাকুলেন্টস তো না সাকুলেন্টস তো নিশ্চয়ই এর আর পার্টিকুলার কোন নাম আছে আচ্ছা সাকুলেন্টসই বলো ঠিক আছে ওকে সো দে কল ইট সাকুলেন্টস so these are actually succulent plants only so they need less water and these are coco peat they're lovely mostly like this this particular plant they say that it is from Australia and one sapling one plant costs rupees 800 so that's insane these are aloe vera so the greenhouse there are so many other plants for botany people or maybe life science or like in general science people or nature lovers this is a heaven I must say these are chili saplings or plantlets whatever you want to say these are brinjal
আমি চালাইতাম
so this is a dragon fruit plant or tree or creeper whatever you call it it looks like cactus and it has the adventitious roots like this with which it climbs it even has small thorny spikes out so these are called shoilfa in our local Bengali Sylheti whatever you can actually eat them this particular red thing you can eat them you can wash it and eat it when I was young I used to consume it but now earlier this plant was found in our locality even in our house but now somehow this plant has vanished and since then I have not tasted this fruit I smelled and I found a cow so this is a cow shed and they have a huge house, and they have converted it into a big, indeed a huge, humongous nursery with different types of plants, and they sell it. And this is great, actually. It's a good idea. You don't have to go anywhere. You can do your business from your home only. So these are the betel nut saplings, supori gacher chara, on both sides. So that is the end. It's a huge house with huge nursery with many people working. So this particular plant is actually found in coastal areas. This one in Orissa or Tamil Nadu or like that. We call it jhau gach. I actually do not know what you call it, but I think you can understand what plant this is. ডিজাইন বদলানো থাকলে দুইটা পাতা দুইটা আলাদা টাইপ অফ ডালিয়া হয় ওকে সো two different types of leaves indicate different types of flowers and different variety of dahlia. So these are dahlia. The calendula na এগুলো calendula পারবি না এটা কি দেখো এটা কি দেখো পারবি না এটা কি তা পারবি না না বেগুনের চারা আছে গো আইছলাম রে পড়না তুই আইছস না গো আমি আসিনি সেই সময় ওই যে তার দিন তুই কালি গান করতে দেখাবো ওগুলো বট নাকি ওইগুলো বট নাকি ওই যে এগুলো কি রাবার প্ল্যান্ট আচ্ছা এটা কলম হয় না এই গাছের কলম হয় না আচ্ছা এই সবুজ গুলো যে এগুলো কি এগুলা তো মাটি দিয়ে বাঁধিয়েছিলাম না হ্যাঁ এখানে ফাঙ্গাস হয়ে গেছে এই গুটিতে গাছ জমে গেছে আচ্ছা তো কোন গাছের কলম হয় এই গাছে তো হয় না এই কলম এটা লোকাল যে কমলা হ্যাঁ এই কমলা গাছ এই কমলা গাছে কলম হয় না এটা নাগপুরি কমলা হয় এটা নাগপুরি কমলা গাছ নাগপুরি এটা কমলা হয় না কলম হয় না one thing. So this is what we call a Christmas tree, and somebody has cut a portion from there, and the amount of latex that this plant is secreting is a small thing, but as we go up you can see so much latex is being secreted by the plant. You can see so many stems have been cut, and hence this plant, to protect it, has secreted so much latex. This is insane. Talking about cutting, so as I have read about cutting, so this plant, this is a Nagpuri orange, so they have tried, but it didn't respond, and hence they concluded that this plant doesn't respond to cutting and everything will be in vain if they try again. They have tried every method, but fungus appeared and they destroyed it. So cutting, or in Bengali we call it kolom kora, is another plant they have tried, and I do not see any proper result, or they had told me if it yielded anything, but no, I do not think this plant also responded. So these are the plants we have taken, 14-15 plants actually, and in this lorry our plants will be taken to our car. Banana tree with bananas having red skin. I don't know if this is a variety or not. So friends, I have returned, and honestly I had a wonderful time at the nursery. And if you live in Silchar, I recommend you to go there, and you can even buy plants like we have bought some really good petunias, calendula, dahlia, marigold, and a fern. So I am ending my vlog here. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts below, share this video with everyone, and please subscribe to 7 Leaves for more. And please do not forget to press the bell button. Most of you do not press, I know it, and most of you just watch and do not subscribe. It hurts. I am really putting in so much effort. Please friends, do subscribe and press the bell button to get all the notifications of my videos. And if you still do not follow me on any of my social media handles, the handles are given right over here, @Poorna7Leaves for both Twitter and Instagram. So go follow me there to get all the updates. And lastly, I am ending my vlog by saying, keep smiling, be happy, and keep supporting. Bye.